Namaskaram, this is Chandhu Mama. In today's world, most of our communication happens in English, whether it's for us or for our children. Speaking politely is important, but writing beautifully is even more powerful. Good handwriting creates a strong impression. It's not just about neatness, it reflects your personality, confidence, and creativity. For students, it also helps present answers clearly and score better marks in exams. From a young age, we learn cursive writing in school. But to make handwriting truly attractive, stylish, and artistic, we need something more. And that is where modern calligraphy comes in. Calligraphy has many beautiful styles of lettering. Among them, modern calligraphy stands out because it looks elegant. It gives a smooth and beautiful flow to sentences. It enhances presentation. And it makes every word look like art. With modern calligraphy, you can create beautiful greeting cards, stylish invitation cards, creative project boards, eye-catching banners, decorative quotes, and personalized gifts, and much more in your daily life. Not just that, once you learn modern calligraphy, you can teach students, conduct workshops, take custom orders, and even start earning part-time income. Yes, your creativity can become your income source. After studying and referring to many international books and resources, I have carefully designed a basic modern calligraphy course, especially for you and your children. This course is also officially copyrighted by the government. Now, I am excited to launch this course online through my YouTube channel. Duration up to 6 months. Eligibility no age limit. Anyone can learn. Requirement just one thing, patience and interest. So dear friends, don't wait. Join us, learn this beautiful art and transform your handwriting into something truly artistic. I will share more details in my next video. Until then, see you soon. This is Chandu Mama.